Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. When you can't leave a 1-star review. This took me a while to understand that the truck just turned the wrong way. That was the slowest accident I have ever seen. Looks like James Bond is back on set here.
A few moments later.
What the happened? They went over the track. They went over the line. Holy shit, I can't believe I got that.
I seriously hope there were no kids in that bus. This street is notorious for car crashes, as it is coming right off of the highway. Drivers are going way too fast for the stoplights right around the corner. This is why you should follow no U-turn signs. This driver got an unexpected surprise. This driver got T-boned while making a turn. What a sight for the cars stopped at the light watching. Comment what you think happened here. Looks like some of these lights are known to be really slow. Do you think that truck was too close? Did that driver pass out? That reaction time was non-existent. Hopefully they were okay though. A drunk driver in Miami, Florida crashed into a car after midnight. Doing donuts in an empty intersection is already dumb, but doing it with more people than seats in the car is even dumber. This driver thought she was blocked on the railroad tracks and decided to leave her car when it looks like she could have continued driving and gotten straight out of there. Thoughts?
Hours later.
Curious to see what insurance has to say. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.